In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an assignment tracker Google Sheets tutorial. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Sheets. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, take a moment to confirm you are in the main dashboard where you can create new spreadsheets. This is the easiest place to begin because Google provides ready-made templates that can save you a lot of setup time. Next, find and click Template Gallery. This opens a collection of pre-built spreadsheet layouts. Templates are useful because they already include structured rows, columns, and formatting, so you can focus on entering your assignment details instead of building everything from scratch. From here, choose the assignment tracker template by clicking the highlighted option shown on screen. After you select it, Google Sheets will generate a new spreadsheet based on that template. Give it a second to load fully so you can see all the sections clearly. Now you will click through the highlighted areas in the sheet. These highlighted clicks guide you through the key parts of the tracker, such as where you enter assignment names, due dates, and status information. As you click each highlighted area, pay attention to what that section is meant to track. This helps you understand the layout so you can use it consistently later. Continue following the highlights across the page. In most assignment tracker templates, you will typically see areas for course or class name, the assignment or task title, and a due date column. You may also see a priority or status column where you can mark something as not started, in progress, or complete. When you click into these cells, you can usually type directly, and in some templates, you can choose from a drop-down menu. If you see a drop-down arrow in a cell, click it and select the option that matches your progress. Keep clicking each highlighted section until you have reviewed all the main parts of the tracker. This walkthrough is important because it shows you where everything lies, including any summary areas that might calculate totals or give you a quick view of what is due soon. As a general tip, try to enter information in a consistent format, especially for dates, so sorting and filtering works smoothly later. Once you have clicked through the final highlighted area, your assignment tracker template is ready to use and update anytime. And that is all there is to it.